Hi everybody, this is Shweta
My name is Inder and welcome to our
channel.
So we are going to react on Tudram trailer in which we have Mohanlal and Shobana. Let's watch it.
Let's watch it.
പണ്ടെന്നെ കണക്ക് പഠിപ്പിച്ചൊരു സാറുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. നമ്മളൊരു ഫ്രീ പീരീഡ് നോക്കിയിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ അയാൾ എവിടുന്നെങ്കിലും കയറി വരും. അടിച്ചാലും ഗുണിച്ചാലും ഉത്തരം കിട്ടാത്തൊരു ചോദ്യവും. ഉത്തരം കിട്ടില്ല, പുറത്തും നിർത്തും, നാണവും കെടുത്തും.
അതിന് നീ ഏത് സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിച്ചേക്കുന്നത്?
ആ താടി തൊട്ട കൈ ഞാൻ വെട്ടു.
താടി വളർത്തി അയ്യോ പാവം കളിച്ചു നടാ.
ആർക്കടാ പ്രശ്ന?
എന്താണ്?
എത്ര എത്ര മഹാന്മാരുടെ ചന്തി പതിഞ്ഞ വണ്ടിയാണെന്നറിയാം.
നീ കാറിന് വേണ്ടിട്ട് ഫാൻ കറങ്ങുന്നതിൽ ഇവിടെ കിടന്ന് വട്ടം വട്ടം കറങ്ങും. എന്താടോ
എന്റെ വണ്ടിയുടെ കാര്യം
തരൂല
സാർ. എന്റെ കാർ
കിട്ടൂല.
കിളി പോവും. അന്ത ആൾക്ക് കാറ് കയ്യിലെ കെട്ടിയാ കിളി പോവും.
മഴ നനയാലല്ലോ കുട്ടിച്ച. എല്ലാരും കൂടെ എന്നെ ഇങ്ങനെ മഴയത്ത് നിർത്തിയേക്കല്ലേ.
Yes, guys, first do comment what is the meaning of Tudram.
Tudram. Yeah. Then only we'll come to know like what he's up to.
Yeah, but the starting का जो था एकदम math teacher, whenever there is a free period,
Yeah.
math teacher always used to come and they used to spoil our free period. Story with everyone.
Everyone.
Right?
With me also. Yeah.
कितनी लोग हमारे मैथ टीचर लोग हमारे
वो बोलते ना they used to humiliate like you know बोलते ये नहीं आता.
एक तो हमारे फ्री पीरियड में आ गए, ऊपर से हमको धमकी
देते थे. No, this happens. He's right.
It's totally
But
right.
Lalita, he's looking so cute and naughty. And that police inspector.
Lady police inspector. Oh man, but this is gonna be like, if you see the first half was very comedy, like it was so basically he's like कार पे लोगों को छोड़ता है यहाँ वहाँ पे, he is dropping off people in different places and everything, and I think he loves his car a lot. It's always his car, and he has a cute family.
Even that Shobna.
Yes.
When she said ना once he will get a car और फिर मतलब बोलते ना कि हो गया मतलब he's up to like he can do whatever.
पूरी फैमिली दिखाई है, सब मस्ती मजाक कर रहे, but now if you see his car, I think the police has his car due to some or other reason, because he is kind of requesting, please sir, give my car and everything. He is requesting, but they are saying no. Then she says,
That's what. But this will be fun to watch.
And after that, if you see the major change in his expression, before that he was very cute, funny and everything, and after that
having that laddu, that beard scenario where he was doing like this and all.
So I think so he's gonna like put in a bad set of people afterwards.
He's gonna do that because even the car was looking good. Yeah,
Yeah, come on, black and white it always looks good. Of course,
मस्त लग रहा था वही.
बहुत मस्त गाड़ी है यार,
बहुत मस्त लग रहा था.
पर वही अभी first thing, why does he have that kind of attachment with the car? Maybe one reason because it's his bread and butter, maybe that can be reason, or maybe some emotional connection with the car, of course.
Yeah, or a family goal or something. वही ना मतलब
Pass
अगर
on
कुछ
किया गया
pass
ऊपर से,
on ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है.
वो तो है.
But this will be like you know like whenever obviously again I'm gonna say that the man who always speak with eyes, but over here he speaks with his expression like टाइमिंग भी बराबर से आ रही है हिचकी उनको बराबर से टाइमिंग पे आ रही है इवन दैट फीमेल आल्सो लाइक पुलिस वाला एंड sorry that
With like of course Lalita comedy में बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं हमेशा.
but he is
Also,
good with bashing too
So in this
yeah
we will see both. We will
Both.
get to see comedy and then his anger.
yeah and some family lovey-dovey things
And also like yes, if you cut your beard.
no, I'm not gonna do that.
Man, he's looking so cute at the first half, but at the end he was like full with
Yeah.
anger and fears, and he was saying like they have left me in rain, of course, and everything. So अभी थोड़ा और ऐसे emotion और anger भी आया है, of course.
वो जब मतलब बोलते हैं ना whatever like in real life also if you love something ना
Yes,
or
if someone takes it away.
someone takes it away or it breaks with someone hand or something like that ना then you will like क्यों किया like why
You'll
did
get
you do
angry, of course. So I
obviously
think it's the same thing happening with him.
happening with
He
him
is very angry when his car is gone.
But now I have to see this movie. There was no release date. We'll see,
Yes,
because
so
it was
we
just
have to wait
written
for
coming soon.
wait. It just see usually maybe it's within a month we'll get a
Yeah, this
movie,
was a
of course.
trailer. Yeah,
It's a trailer,
yeah.
so we
Ha,
might
ha,
get the movie soon.
in April or
But
May,
of
most
course
probably.
we need to know the meaning of tudram.
Tudram.
Tudram or tudrum.
Tudram.
Tudram nahi, ram Arya.
Tudram.
Tudram.
Okay. Whatever.
Guys, let us know the proper
Yeah,
pronunciation
proper.
in the comment, and also we want to know the meaning of it, of course. But this is gonna be full comedy, and last में action and anger रहेगा.
You know, best part of the trailer was there was a subtitle.
So we
if,
were able to understand the dialogues.
yeah, so
That's the
if this movie is gonna release nearby, also now we can go and watch it because we cannot wait for OTT.
the problem here is
Over here there is
screens
a problem.
नहीं आती ना. Mumbai में you
नहीं
don't
आती.
get much screens from Malayalam for Malayalam movie. And
Absolutely.
even if you get there is a very low probability of getting it with subtitles, of course.
Yeah,
But
that is the
it's fine.
reason.
Once it's on OTT, of course we'll watch it and react with, and of course share the reaction with you. So we have to wait for it, of course. But cool, it was a nice trailer. Comedy, funny, cute. Nice, sir.
Cool, guys. We'll wait for more. Like, let's see. When
And
it's
don't
gonna
forget to
release.
let us know the meaning to the
on the comment box.
and the proper pronunciation, of course. So meanwhile, guys, do like,
Subscribe.
share. बोलो तो सही कमेंट.
मैंने
मैंने हिचकी मारी और मैंने बोला
भी कीड़ा हिचकी.
तो कमेंट बोलने का.
Okay, do like, subscribe, share, comment, click on the
बेल आइकन.